Do you want to know how you can sign up for Speechify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Speechify. Go ahead and open speechify.com on your browser and you can see that this type of page will open up. The next thing you want to do is click on Create Account. Now, you can either enter your email address or password, or you can just click on Continue with Google. Make sure you do have a Google account before you click Continue with Google, and go ahead and select your Google account and click Continue to sign in to Speechify. After you click on OK, now the registration process will start. What you can do is start a three-day free trial. So go ahead and write down your bank account number or your credit card number, or you can also use PayPal as well. So if you don't want to do this and already have an account, go ahead and click Continue with Google. After you do so, this will also be equivalent to signing up, so go ahead and select your Google account. After you select your Google account, you can see that you have been signed into your account and you have opened up an account which is signing up for Speechify as well. So guys, this is how you sign up for Speechify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.